Here answer is momentary. We acted on a momentary impulse. Momentary means lasting for a very short time. It means momentary means lasting for a very short time. Now momentums. What do you mean by momentums? Means very important, serious. Is it clear? So here answer is momentary. Next. Do you do your best and we will back dash we will back you on dash. तो यहाँ पे क्या on and output, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा up. Do your best and we will back you up. So back up means support back. Is it? It means support back. अगर आप back out की बात करते हो that is to withdraw. To withdraw किसी चीज से withdraw करना before completion. Is it clear? So here your answer will be back you up. That is fourth option. Next. Sanjay dash his mother in the morning every day. Calls in, calls up, calls off, calls down. So here your answer is calls up. Sanjay calls up his mother in the morning every day. Calls up means टेलीफोन करना, फोन करना. ठीक है, अगर आप बाहर हो, आप अपने पेरेंट्स को रोज फोन कर रहे हो, दैट इज कॉल्स अप. Now what do you mean by first option? देखो calls in. Call in means someone to enter. Someone to enter. Is it clear? Then call off. Call off means postpone करना. Postpone करना. Calls down means angrily. Calls down means angrily. So here your answer is call up. Calls up. Sanjay calls up his mother in the morning every day. Next. Since last year, his contribution has been dash. Deteriorate, deteriorating, several deteriorated, deterioratingly. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? दैट इज, देखो यहाँ पे के सब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या है? हैज है. ठीक है, जब भी सब्जेक्ट के साथ हैज या हैव आता है और उसके साथ बीन आता है, हैज या हैव के साथ बीन आता है, तो वर्ब के साथ हमेशा क्या आएगा? आईएनजी. अब यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? डिटोरियल है, तो इसके साथ आईएन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हैज बीन है, तो और सब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या है? हैज बीन है, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? डिटोरिएटिंग आएगा. तो ऑप्शन कौन सी आएगी? सेकंड. सिंस लास्ट ईयर हिज कंडीशन हैज बीन डिटोरिएटिंग. नेक्स्ट. Most children remain dash school between the ages of 7 and 10. In, under, at, inside. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 7 ईयर से लेके 10 साल तक बच्चा ज्यादातर कहाँ रहता है? स्कूल में. तो वहां पे एट ऑप्शन आएगा थर्ड. Most children remain at schools between the age of 7 and 14. और यहाँ पे क्या है? ये जनरली नॉर्थ अमेरिकन इंग्लिश है, वहां पे यूज होता है, तो इस वजह से हमने यहाँ पे एंड एट यूज किया है. नेक्स्ट. Quack also dash mud slides on the outskirts of the city. Sorry. Tempered, erupted, triggered. So here your option is erupted. Quack also erupted mudslides on the outskirts of the city. Erupted means to start happening suddenly and violently trigger. ठीक है, तो erupted means to start happening and suddenly, violently. Next आपका आ गया टेम्पर का मीनिंग. आप erupted का मीनिंग क्लियर कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज रिगार्डिंग की ट्रिगर. erupted के बाद ट्रिगर. देखिए, ट्रिगर मीन्स टू मेक समथिंग हैपन सडनली. टू मेक हैपनिंग समथिंग सडनली, एकदम से कुछ होना. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखिए टेम्पर. टेम्पर मीन्स टू मेक समथिंग लेस सीवियर, कम करना उसको. सेकेंड ऑप्शन टेम्पर. टेम्पर मीन्स इंटरफेयर करना. सो आपका आंसर यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? इरप्ट. Erupts, it means to start happening suddenly. तो क्वैक ने क्या किया? erupt कर दी mudslides on the outskirts of the city. Next. You are dash common sense, lacking of, devoid in, devoid of, dull on. So here your answer is devoid of. You are devoid of common sense. That is third option. Devoid of means lacking in something. Completely आप lack कर रहे हो किसी चीज में. That is devoid of. Next. He ran so fast dash that he fell, so he fell that he is falling. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. He ran so fast that he fell. ये कोरिलेटिव है. ये जो सेंटेंस है आपका कोरिलेटिव है, इस वजह से that he fell आएगा. नेक्स्ट. The doctor has been dashed to attend to an urgent case. Called, called in, called by, call over. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Called in. Doctor has been called in to attend to an urgent case. To ask for the services of somebody. Is it clear? To ask for the services of somebody. Next. With the amount of conflicts in the world, a third world war is dashed. Imminent, imminent, eminent, imminent. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Imminent. That with the amount of conflicts in the world, a third world war is imminent. That is fourth option. Imminent means likely to happen very soon. Likely to happen very soon. Eminent का मतलब क्या है? Famous, well known. Imminent का मतलब क्या है? Produce, कुछ produce करना या कुछ show करना. ठीक है? That come from. So here your answer will be fourth option, imminent. Next. The traditional way of saying that you feel fine is to say that you are all right, all correct, all good, all right. तो क्या है? किस तरह से हम बोलते हैं? All right. That is first option. All right means safe and well. So here your answer will be, sorry, see, that is fourth option, all right. ठीक है? तो first option all right, ALRIGHT है, लेकिन fourth option देखिए all, ALL है, तो आपका fourth option आना चाहिए. Next. The army has been dashed to be ready to control the floods. Alerted, warned, awakened, wanted. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Now what do you mean by the term alert? Alert means किसी को किसी चीज के बारे में aware करना. To make somebody aware of something. ठीक है? या फिर warn करना कि यहाँ पे कुछ dangerous है, इस वजह से alert कर रहे हैं आप. Urgent situation में alert करना. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Army को alert किया गया है to be ready to control the floods. So here your option will be first option, that is alerted. Next. The relation between the Indian PM and US President is perfectly dashed. Excellent, smooth, informed, cordial. तो relation हमेशा आपके क्या होते हैं? Cordial होते हैं. That is pleasant and friendly. So here option will be fourth. That is cordial. Next. Never dash met any girl so beautiful. Have I have, I had, did I. अब यहाँ पे क्या है आपका? देखिए यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन मार्क आना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या है? एक्सप्लेनेशन इन्वर्जन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए क्या यूज होता है हमेशा? हैव आई. दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. नेवर हैव आई मेट एनी गर्ल सो ब्यूटीफुल. नेक्स्ट. डैश में मैन स्टैंड in that corner is a policeman in a plain clothes. Some any other. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर मैन की बात हो रही है कि वो पर्सन जो वहां पे आदमी खड़ा है वो पुलिस मैन है प्लेन क्लोथ्स में. पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की बात हो रही है, मैन की बात हो रही है. तो यहाँ पे डेफिनेट आर्टिकल कौन सा आएगा आपका? डी. जब भी कोई डेफिनेट चीज के बारे में, पर्टिकुलर चीज के बारे में बात हो रही है तो वहां पे आपका द आता है हमेशा. द मैन स्टैंडिंग इन दैट कॉर्नर is a policeman in plain clothes. Next. 8-cylinder engines are dashed that use great amount of petrol. Conveyance devices, instrument, apparatus. तो यहाँ पे क्या है आपका? यहाँ पे अब यहाँ पे आपकी जो एक डिवाइस है, डिवाइस मीन्स पीस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट. इट मीन्स पीस ऑफ इक्विपमेंट जो कि डिजाइन किया गया एक पर्टिकुलर काम के लिए. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? 8 सिलेंडर इंजन की बात हो रही है. सो ऑप्शन आपका डिवाइसेस आएगा, सेकेंड ऑप्शन. 8 cylinder engines are devices that use great amount of petrol. Next. He would always be late with submission because he would dash whatever he was supposed to do. Prevaricate, procrastinate, interrogate, discriminate. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या है? That is second option, procrastinate. Procrastinate means to delay doing something. To delay doing something जो कि आपको कर लेना चाहिए तो उसको आपने delay कर दिया. Put off doing something. Is it clear? Next क्या है आपका? Prevaricate. Prevaricate means be unclear in order to mislead. Be unclear in order to mislead or without information. Interrogate क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन का बहुत सारा क्वेश्चंस पुट कर रहे हो डिस्क्रिमिनेट करने के लिए. क्वेश्चंस पुट कर रहे हो. डिस्क्रिमिनेट मींस differentiate करना, distinguish करना. So here your answer is procrastinate, which means to delay doing something that you should do. Next. He talked on and on dash. Ad infinitum voraciously, hesitatingly, ad interim. Now see, please look at the meanings. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum means without ever coming to an end. कि कभी वो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. So he talked on and on ad infinitum. That is first option. Second जगह है voraciously. Voraciously means जिस तरह से आप, जिस तरीके से कोई खा रहा है या उसे बहुत ज्यादा फूड चाहिए, उसे हम वॉरेशियसली कहते हैं. हेजिटेंटली, हेजिटेट करना, ठीक है, कोई आप उसको हेजिटेट करो कोई काम करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्या है आपका? एड इंटेरियम. एड इंटेरियम मींस टेम्पररी. सो हियर योर आंसर विल बी फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, दैट इज एड इंफिनिटिव. नेक्स्ट, the order is dash and you must abide by it, as there is not even the slightest chance of it being modified or withdrawn. So here options are irretrievable, irreparable, irrevocable, irreconcilable. So here answer is third option, that is irrevocable. That means irrevocable means the final change नहीं हो सकता. Is it clear? That is irrevocable. So order is irrevocable and you must abide by it, as there is not even the slightest chance of its being modified or withdrawn. अब आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन देखिए, इरिटेरेबल. इरिटेरेबल मींस इरिपेरेबल, कि उसको हम दोबारा उसको सही नहीं कर सकते हैं. कोई चीज खराब हो गई है, उसको दोबारा सही नहीं कर सकते हैं. थर्ड ऑप्शन सॉरी इरिपेरेबल. सेकंड इरिपेरेबल. इरिपेरेबल अगेन तो कुछ हम ठीक नहीं कर सकते, रिपेयर नहीं हो सकती है. फोर्थ ऑप्शन देखिए इररिकॉन्सिबल. इररिकॉन्सिबल मींस incompatible, variance not possible to set. Is it clear? So here your answer will be irrevocable. That is third option. Next, the battalion operating from the mountain was able to dash 3 enemy divisions. Tie up, tie down, tie on, tie with. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? tie down. The battalion operating from the mountain was able to tie down 3 enemy divisions. That is the second option, tie down. Tie down means resist karna, to resist, to restrict somebody's freedom, to restrict somebody's freedom. That is tie down, second option. Now what do you mean by the term tie up? It means to connect, link karna, किसी चीज को किसी के साथ link करना. That is tie down, sorry, tie up. Next, once he has signed the agreement, he won't be able to dash back up, back in, back it, back out. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? back out, कि जब आपने एक बार एग्रीमेंट साइन कर दिया उसके बाद आप वापस नहीं ले सकते. he won't be able to back out. Next, the passengers were afraid, but the captain dashed them that there was no danger. Promised, advised, assured, counseled. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? assured. That is third option. Passengers were afraid, but the captain assured them that there was no danger. Is it clear? That is third option. Next, I haven't seen you dash a week within since far from. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका? यहाँ पे देखो टाइम पीरियड एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है जो, तो यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा? टाइम पीरियड एक्सप्रेस हो रहा है फॉर. I haven't seen you for a week. That is third option. Next, he dash a brief appearance at the end of the party. Put on, put in, put across, put up. तो यहाँ पे देखिए क्या है, अब यहाँ पे सेकेंड ऑप्शन आएगा. she put in a brief appearance at the end of the party. put in appearance ये आपका क्या है? idiom है. it means to appear briefly at some place or at some event. ठीक है, बहुत शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए आप आ रहे हो. so here that is your put in. Second option is the answer. Now what do you mean by the term put on? Put on, first option देखिए, put on क्या है? add to something existing. add to something जो exist कर रहा है उसमें कुछ और add करना. थर्ड ऑप्शन देखिए, put across means to state so as to understand clearly, कि आप इस तरह से कुछ state कर रहे हो जो clearly understood कर सकते हो. put up means to suggest an idea. Easily it means to suggest an idea for other people to discuss. Next, One of the reasons the impressionists caused such a scandal was dash their colors were too bright, because of which, due to, because of. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, because का मतलब reason, तो यहाँ पे third option आएगा. One of the reasons the impressionists caused such a scandal was because their color were too bright. Next. She must be sometimes dashed to run away. Has wanted, have wanted, having want, has want. तो यहाँ पे क्या सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट के साथ क्या आएगा, मस्ट हैव के साथ क्या आएगा, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, जब मस्ट है, एग्जैक्टली देखो सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट के साथ वो मस्ट आ रहा है, मस्ट के साथ हैव आएगा, और हैव के साथ क्या आएगा, मस्ट हैव के साथ क्या आएगा, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. तो यहाँ पे देखिए क्या आएगा, तो यहाँ पे आपका सेकंड ऑप्शन आएगा, have wanted. She must sometimes have wanted to run away. Is it clear? So second is the answer. Next, the bank decided to dash them the money as they were reliable clients. Let, lend, borrow, lease. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, अब यहाँ पे आपका इनफाइनेटिव वो है, इनफाइनेटिव है, उसके साथ आपका वर्ब, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आएगा. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब क्या आएगा, लेंड आएगा. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा, लेंड. द बैंक डिसाइडेड टू लेंड देम द मनी एज दे वर रिलायबल clients. Next, the aim of a peace council is dash rather than cure. Salvation, preservation, maintenance, cultivation. तो पीस काउंसिल का एम क्या है, प्रिजर्व करना, preservation rather than cure. Preservation means act of keeping something in its original state or in a good condition. Next, he gives everyone dash the class opportunity for practice at, in, off, in. तो यहाँ पे अब आपका क्या आएगा, दैट इज कौन सी ऑप्शन आएगी, कौन सी प्रेपोजिशन आएगी, दैट इज इन. he gives everyone in the class opportunity for practice, that is second option. Next, Harish soon gained dash in English. Provincialism, proficiency, efficiency, eminency. तो लैंग्वेज में जब भी हम कुछ गेन करते हैं, क्या गेन करते हैं, proficiency. That is ability to do something well because of training and practice. So here option is second, proficiency. Next, by a single mean act he dashed out all his good deeds. Wiped, whipped, worked, risked. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, वाइप आउट. बाय अ सिंगल मीन एक्ट ही वाइप्ड आउट, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, वाइप्ड आउट ऑल हिज गुड डीड्स. वाइप्ड आउट मींस डिस्ट्रॉय करना, कुछ रिमूव कर देना कंप्लीटली. I was conscious dash a break in my voice, two off over fall. तो अब यहाँ पे आपकी क्या ऑप्शन आएगी, अब कॉन्शियस है, तो कॉन्शियस आप किसी चीज के लिए कॉन्शियस हो रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, सेकंड ऑप्शन, I was conscious of a break in my voice. Next, the young woman broke dash on hearing the news of her husband's death. Up, down, off, in. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, अब क्या ऑप्शन आएगा, ब्रेक डाउन. The young woman broke down on hearing the news of her husband's death. Next, do not dash your own personal views upon the रीडर. एक्सपोज, इंटरपोज, एक्सप्रेस, इम्पोज. तो यहाँ पे क्या, इम्पोज का मतलब क्या होता है, फोर्स करना. सो डू नॉट इम्पोज, दैट इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन, डू नॉट इम्पोज योर ओन पर्सनल व्यूज ऑन योर अपॉन द रीडर. नेक्स्ट, this school isn't dash from the last one. More different, any different, difference, any difference. तो यहाँ पे क्या है आपका, ये नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, एग्जैक्टली ऐसे, दिस स्कूल इज नॉट. अब नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो क्या आएगा, एनी डिफरेंट. दिस स्कूल इज नॉट एनी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द लास्ट वन, दैट इज सेकंड ऑप्शन. I have decided dash my course of action. Upon, with, for, of. तो यहाँ पे proposition आपके upon. I have decided upon my course of action. Next, she dashed him angrily because he made the floor dirty with his muddy shoes. Scold, scold, scolded, scolding. तो यहाँ पे अब जो सेंटेंस है ये पास्ट टाइम का शो कर रहा है, ठीक है, पास्ट के है तो पास्ट सिंपल है. पास्ट सिंपल है तो क्या आएगा, scolded. She scolded him angrily because he made the floor dirty and with his muddy shoes. So answer is third option, scolded. He walked along the road wondering what dash happened and where all the people had gone. Had, has, have it. अब ये past perfect यूज होगा यहाँ पे, इसलिए past रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है, जो यहाँ पे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो पास्ट में है, ठीक है, पास्ट टेंस में वर्ब। तो यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस में आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है तो पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज होगा, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट यहाँ पे क्या है, हैड है। सो ही वॉक्ड अलोंग द रोड वंडरिंग व्हाट हैड happened and where all the people had gone. That is first option. The criminal was dash lest he should escape. Fetted, fettered, fettled, fested, fetted. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या आंसर आएगा? That is fetter. The criminal was fettered lest he should escape. Fetter का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by the term fetter? To restrict somebody's freedom. किसी की freedom को रोकना कि वो जो क्या करना चाहते हैं। Prisoners के पैरों पे आप chain put करना, that is fetter. Is it there? So यहाँ पे past participle use होगा, that is fettered. Second option. Legislation was passed to punish brokers who dash their clients' fund, devastate, devour, defalcate, devil. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Defalcate. Legislation was passed to punish brokers who devastate their clients' fund. Defalcate their clients' fund. That is third option. Defalcate. Defalcate means मिसयूज करना, मिसअप्रोप्रिएट करना, प्रॉपर्टी को एम्बेजल करना। सो यहाँ पे लेजिस्लेशन पास हुआ था कि ब्रोकर्स को पनिश करना है वो जिन्होंने अपने क्लाइंट के फंड को डिफैल्केट किया है, दैट इज थर्ड ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट, his father was dash the same business, managing over, engaged in, endowed with, enlisted in. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या है? engaged in, that is busy doing something. So here your option is engaged in. His father was engaged in the same business. Next, it is due to this lethargy that the plan fell dash off, out, through, away. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? Fall through. It is due to this lethargy that the plan fell through. Is it clear? That is fall through, fell through. Third option. ये जो complete new है, not happen. He has no recommendations. He will dash get the job. However, whatsoever, whereas, whatever. तो अब यहाँ पे आपका क्या आएगा? Here your answer will be however, कि उसको कोई recommendations नहीं थी, he will however, फिर भी उसको जॉब मिल जाएगी। So यहाँ पे क्या है? however कब यूज होता है? किसी स्टेटमेंट को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, that contrasts with something. Is it clear? That contrasts with something. Next, leaves dash in autumn. Leaves dash in autumn. Fall down, fall off, fall on, fall off. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Fall off. Leaves fall off in autumn. To decrease in quantity or quality. Fall off का मतलब होता है कि quantity या quality में decrease होना. Fall down का मतलब होता है कि higher level से बिल्कुल नीचे drop कर जाना to a lower level. Is it clear? So here your answer will be fall off. Next, each time he tried to climb the tree, he failed to do dash. Thus, then, so this. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे आपका so आएगा. Each time he tried to climb the tree, he failed to do so. Next, the man was dash his deafness, rewarded for, cured for, convicted by, saved at. तो यहाँ पे आपका ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? Cure. The man was cured of his deafness. He is the talk dash of the town, for the town, about the town, over the town. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Be talk of the town. That is first option. He is the talk of the town. Talk मतलब कि जो person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो सबके ही उसी person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. To be the person or subject that everyone is talking about and interested in. Is it clear? So he is the talk of the town. Next, I dash very much like to see my old classmates. Can, should, would, might. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या would use होगा for saying what you want to happen, wish. तो यहाँ पे क्या third option है would. I would very much like to see my old classmates. Next, a partial victory sometimes all we can hope to dash, gain, lose, suffer, reward. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? ये जो sentence है वो क्या है? क्या किस sense में suggest कर रहे हैं? Gain. that is to obtain. So here a partial victory is sometimes all we can hope to gain. That is first option. Next. My father has been advised to dash his smoking. Cut down, cut off, cut into, cut in. So here answer is cut down. My father has been advised to cut down his smoking. Next. I had not expected to meet him. It was quite an dash meeting. So options organized, unique, accidental, intentional. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Accidental. I had not expected to meet him. It was quite an accidental meeting. That is third option. Happening by chance. That is happening by chance. Is it clear? Next. Pour the juice dash the glass in into onto on. तो जब भी हम कोई चीज pour कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे into आता है. Second option. Pour the juice into the glass. Next. I have been dashed this problem since noon. Working into, working on, working for, with after. तो यहाँ पे आपके ऑप्शन क्या है? Working on. I have been working on this problem since noon. Work on means to try hard to achieve or improve something. Next. Sushma has a deep dash for drunkards. Hatred, hate, hated, hating. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? Hatred. Sushma has a deep hatred for drunkards. Next. One should always set dash some money for emergency. Aside, on, buy, out. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Set aside. One should always set aside some money for emergency. Next. The train is expected to arrive in a few minutes dash platform 6. In, above, near, on. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? On. Train is expected to arrive in a few minutes on platform 6. I haven't had dash opportunity to study during the day. Very many, much more. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या आएगा? Much. I haven't had much opportunity to study during the day. Next. Nothing is impossible dash him. In, about, for, on. So यहाँ पे कौन सी preposition आएगी? For. Nothing is impossible for him. Next. My relations dash him are not friendly. Between, with, to, for. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा आपका? कौन सी preposition? With. My relations with him are not friendly. Next. George dashed to this country a year ago. Was coming, came, is coming, comes. अब यहाँ पे देखो past time के बारे में show कर रहे थे. Past time में तो came. George came to this country a year ago. Next. I cannot conceive of dash accepting the post. He, his, him, he will. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? अब यहाँ पे देखो gerund से पहले क्या है? Possessive case है. Possessive case क्या आएगा? His. तो possessive case use होगा तो possessive case कौन सा use होगा? His. I cannot conceive his accepting the post. That is second option. Next. The maestro's son has no taste dash music. About, with, in, to. So here option is in. Maestro's son has no taste in music. That is third option. Rita promised to come but she never turned dash in, out, down, up. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Turn up. Rita promised to come but she never turned up. Next. I waited dash the train arrive. As, until, since, after. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका? Until. I wanted until the train arrived. Until means up to the point in time. Next. He loves you dash than me. तो यहाँ पे क्या? Closer, near, higher और more. तो क्या आएगा? More. He loves you more than me. Comparative degree है तो क्या आएगा? More. Next. The squadron leader ordered his men to dash immediately. Fall in, fall out, fall off, fall in. So यहाँ पे क्या है? Fall in. Squadron leader ordered his men to fall in immediately. That is first option. Due to heavy rains, the match was called dash off, down, out. तो क्या होगा? Second option, that is off. Cancel off means, call off means cancel करना. इसे क्या? कुछ किसी चीज को cancel करना. So heavy rains की वजह से match को cancel किया है. Second is the answer. The management gave us permission to dash with the new curriculum. Go fixed, go about, go ahead, go around. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Go ahead. Management gave us permission to go ahead with the new curriculum. Go ahead means proceed करना, carry out करना. Next. Mount Everest has earned dash distinction of being the world's highest garbage dump. Mark disgusting, dubious, dismal. Dismal. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपका dubious, that is hesitating or doubting, doubtful, uncertain. So here your answer is third option, dubious. Next. I like dash in this sun. Laying, lay, lie, lying. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Lie, lying means lying. Is it clear? तो यहाँ पे आपकी कौन सा जेरेंट यूज होगा यहाँ पे? lying in the sun. लेटना अच्छा लगता है. I like lying in the sun. That is fourth option. So guys, I'm sending you another link. Please join that.